Hello everyone, this is the continuous video of chapter Statistics Unit 5 Statistics and Graph Work. This is Unit 5. In this topic, we start from the graphical representations of data for continuous distributions. For representations of data, we have two types. One is the histogram and second one is the frequency polygon. In frequency polygon, we have two types of polygon. One is the using histogram and one is the without using the histogram. See, we will learn histogram, how to construct histogram on a graph paper. We learn from the example. Draw a histogram to represent the following. That means class interval is provided you, frequency is provided you. That means class interval you will select from the x-axis and frequency you select from the y-axis, and just construct this thing. Since this histogram we have done in class 6 also and 7 also, so you are able to do how to draw the histogram. That means you are able to do. That means, but let me explain. 0 to 10 is considered 0 to 10. It is the frequency of 7. Select in between 8 to 6. It is the 7. Similarly, for 12, it will be here, and this column will be for 10 to 20 class interval. 20 to 30 is equal to 15. So it is the frequency in between 16 to 14. In the same way, you draw for the 10 and 6 for the interval 30 to 40 and 40 to 50. So this is the example how to draw the histogram. We have considered for the x-axis 0 to 10. That means 10 small units is equal to 1 part, and for the y-axis 10 small units is equal to 2 part. So in this way we can draw the histogram. Is it clear? Now the frequency polygon. Therefore we will see about the using the histogram. How to draw the histogram we have already seen. That's why I have already constructed here the histogram by the same method. See here the example. Draw a frequency polygon of the data given the age of doctors working at RIMS Ranchi. Age, this is the column for age and number of data. See here. See here, the class interval is provided you 20 to 30 and 30 to 35, 35 to 40 and similarly 45 to 50, and corresponding frequencies are here. So first you draw the histogram by the same concept, okay? And after construct a histogram, how to draw the frequency polygon using the histogram. So first you draw the histogram, and after finding the histogram, you generate one more column that is called the class mark. How to find the class mark? This is the lower limit plus upper limit. Lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. This is called class mark. So this will, for the 25 to 30, the class mark will be 27.5. Similarly for the second, third, fourth and fifth, 32.5, 37.5, 42.5 and 48.5, and put and search 27.5 on the x-axis. That means this will be here, okay? And just top of the column you consider, it is the 25.7. That means 27.5 comma for the y-axis is equal to 40. So this is the coordinate for this point. Similarly 32.5 will be here, and the 60 will be on the y-axis. This is here. So this coordinate will be 32.5 comma 60. Similarly, this will be x and y, x and y, x and y. So we have draw here, here and here. And after that you also take one more word that is called the immediate lower class interval. That means just before, that means 25 to 30. Just before 25 to 30 will be 20 to 25. So this will be like here. That means 20 plus 25 divided by 2. That means middle value will become. Similarly, after that 45 to 50. This is called the immediate higher class interval. That means this will be like here. That means the class mark will be 50 plus 55 divided by 2. This will be like here, and joined by the statement. That means join this point and this point. Joined by the scale or freehand. Choice is yours. Okay, and one more important thing is here. See, since the first class interval is not start with the 0 like this, and here it is start from 25. That's why we need to draw one zigzag line likewise. Why? Since 0 to 20 and 20 to 25 are not the same range. That's why it is required. Okay. Now after frequency polygon using the histogram, we have one more topic, that is the without using the histogram. That means for consider the without using the histogram. That means this part you don't draw. Just you draw this vertex part, this point, this point, this point, this point, this point, this point. That means here we have already calculated. First you calculate the class mark and corresponding frequency will be the f. That means y is equal to. So this will be 27.5 and corresponding value of y is equal to 40. Just go on the y axis, that will be frequency column or frequency axis. So this will be 40. This is 40. So this point will this will be 27.5 comma 40. And similarly for 32.60 nearmost will here, and 37.5 and 50 near about here, and 42.5 for 35, that means this will be nearmost here, and 48.5 is 20, that means almost here. And also you have to consider just like the immediate lower and immediate higher for the class interval. That means this point and this point, and join this one by the freehand curve or by the scale. So choice is yours, no issues. Joining the same way. That's why this is called without using histogram. Hope all of you are able to do this exercise. That is exercise 18 SW, exercise 18B. Thank you.